morning, everybody. I don't have a camping video this week. Been just kind of busy here at home getting things together. Plus I still want to wait till I fix my van up a little bit more before I take the van camping, but I am thinking about doing some tent camping soon, but I'll probably be doing that in the Pathfinder. I just don't really trust going long distances right now until we get the rear end fixed on this, and hopefully it'll be soon. The mechanic that's working on my van, he's trying to find one right now, like a used one that that's still in good shape. So, but in the meantime, I got some trash I'm taking out, so I could take the trash out in the Pathfinder, but I just like driving this van, and it's just down the road, so I feel like it'll be okay. I'm probably going to load up the Pathfinder with some of my camping stuff just to see how everything fits. I mean, I know everything's gonna fit fine. I got plenty of room in there, but I just want to see how it goes, especially today. I don't have much to do today, but the rain's coming, and I want to be sure that I don't mess with that while it's raining. So it had rained yesterday some, so hopefully it won't be too much rain today. Yeah, so this time of the year, it's May now. I don't really do too much camping, or I haven't been in the past, just because down here in South Georgia, the temps next week are already in the 90s, so it's it's already getting where it's real warm, and can get uncomfortable too if you don't have like a camper or anything like that with AC. But if you watch one of my camping videos at the end of last year, I think it was around October, I did go tent camping, and I did use a window unit AC, and it really wasn't that bad. So I actually had to shut it off in the middle of the night because it got pretty cool. And so one of the reasons why I don't really do tent camping too much, or I haven't been, and one of the main reasons why I bought the van, is that you can see this is all dew right here. So in the morning when you have to pack up, your tent is just soaking wet, and there's nothing you can do about it except when you get home put it back up. So you have to do take your tent down and then put your tent back up, and then take it back down that day, hopefully that it don't rain. So that was one of the main reasons why I bought the van, is that I could just get in, and when I wake up in the morning, from staying at the campsite or wherever, I could just pack up and leave, and really only takes me about 5 minutes. Where the tent and everything's wet, where you gotta store it back here or in my truck, or the in the case that I'll probably be taking the Pathfinder, everything's wet when you put it inside your vehicle too. So me, surprisingly, this van. I always hate coming here because of all the stray cats. I already got 5. No, 4. I got 4. And but yeah, I hate coming here sometimes because of the cats. But the guy that takes care of cleans up, you know, that's what he does, cleans this up and cleans up the dump, and he takes care of the cats a lot, and a lot of the people bring food and stuff like that. But I wish, you know, they would be taken away to get adopted. That would be great. Yeah, I always like taking the van in the morning to take the trash out. I just like the morning drive. Usually not much traffic. There's not much traffic where I live at anyways, but yeah, I definitely looking forward to get this fixed, and then I can which I use it, you know, 2 or 3 times a week to drive to work. It's just fun to drive. And it hasn't let me down yet, but I just need to get some of the stuff, you know, fixed so it can be roadworthy, at least for longer trips. Yeah, so my wife and I are going to be going to Savannah for a couple days in the 1st of June. I'm looking forward to that, just getting away. And then I'm also looking forward to we're supposed to be, I think, I hadn't planned anything yet. I think we're gonna get a cabin or something from after we leave Savannah, because I'm gonna be off that whole week, so is my wife. So thinking about getting a cabin for a few days and just hanging out. We don't normally get a cabin this time of the year just because it is warm. It won't be so bad in June as it would be like in August or July, but you know, I like going up to the cabins when it's cooler out and stuff like that. So yeah, even though there's not that many clouds right now in the sky, I can actually hear distant thunder. There is some cloud buildup way over there. I can actually smell the rain a little bit. So I may set up my camera and do a time lapse. See how much rain we get. Water snake right there. My backyard's flooded right now. This part here I just mowed last week. Just had some major rain come through the last couple days. But yeah, this is just a harmless water snake right there. I'm gonna go check out the creek right now. As I can hear it, it's just definitely overflowing right now. Alright, so that's the creek back there. The water is definitely way over. And then here, that's just coming from the backyard. My regular mowed part of the backyard. Definitely got a lot of rain. All right, so this is the next day. The sunny out now. The waters are starting to recede a little bit. This is still got some standing water. Some frogs. Looks like the water level is finally down below the bank. Alright guys, so it's the next day now. I know it's been a boring video, just a little peek into a week in my life with no camping. I'm in the Pathfinder today, so it's a nice easy ride. I'll probably do a my review of this Pathfinder, you know, getting you know, how I like it and all that stuff. But anyway, so right here, I did buy this for the Pathfinder. In that green bag there is my air mattress. I do have it's like a 12-volt extension cord, so I can run it all the way to the back and have my power cooler or power fridge, whatever you want to call it, going. I do have these right here. It's like window vents. So I got two of them, one on each side, so I'm going to try those out too when I go camping. So yeah, I'm going to try that. I'm going to try camping in here as well. You know, I got all kind of little options that I can do. Little tent camping, camping in the Pathfinder, and of course the van. I'm still trying to get the van into the shop as soon as I find the parts that they need to fix it. Like I said, I'm still driving it, so but I'd rather have it fixed before you know, I take it on longer trips. So anyways, I don't know if you guys had got a better shot of that or not, or if you could see that well. But I'm gonna end this video here. Like I said, I'm gonna do a couple camping stuff, and I'm gonna try this out, you know, in the Pathfinder, just to see how it goes. Like I said, I could let the seats down and sleep in this. And then I got those vents, so it'll be a little cooler in here now that it's starting to get real warm here in South Georgia. And then of course we'll still do a little tent camping as well. So anyway guys, we got heading on home from you know, a good days of work. So we'll see you guys on the next video, and hopefully it'll be a lot more interesting than this past one. So if you do watch it, I'm thankful, and if you you know, like it, and then if you can, subscribe if you hadn't already. So appreciate it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.